Update 1.38 is finally out. We have 2 new events in the next month, and also some nice upgrades. Like the fridge, the dog crate, and the storage for explosives. Let's take a closer look. One of the events we can see now, the delivery service. The Purge event is still hiding. We can upgrade the storage for explosives. Also the dog crate. And of course the fridge. The fridge upgrade cost 800 gems. If you now after the update get a fridge, it will be on level 1. I'm going to upgrade my fridge. If you upgrade them, you get 2 more slots. If you upgrade the storage for explosives, you can store 5 more C4 in every slot. Let's take a look into the official trailer. The Operation Purge event looks like the Easter Madness event. We just have to go to locations, kill zombies and earn points to get rewards. The delivery event is the same like we have in port. We have to make boxes and to the delivery but from our base. I think this is a pay-to-win event. We will see. Here is the trailer again in full length. What do you think about this new stuff? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.